Hello everyone, how are you? I am your teacher. You can call me Mr. Rumi. I will answer some important questions which will be very helpful for you. So I welcome you on my channel Class Beta where we will be discussing question.
How to write the formula for lead 2 sulfate? Correct answer is the formula for lead 2 sulfate is PbS. To derive this formula, you need to determine the charges of the individual ions involved. Lead 2 ions have a charge of +2 denoted by the Roman numeral 2 in parentheses. Sulfide ions have a charge of -2. To balance the charges of the ions in the compound, you need 1 Pb2 plus ion to combine with 1 S2 ion. Therefore, the formula for lead to sulfide is PbS. It is critical to understand the charges of the ions and apply the principle of charge neutrality to write the correct chemical formula for lead to sulfate.
So that was our today's correct answer to question. If you have any other question, please let me know in the comment section. I will be answering your question soon. Thanks for watching the video. Be sure to like, share and subscribe our channel. See you in the next question. Bye bye.